Sir, can you help
5
me?
minutes ride lang kami.
It's cold and I
Di pa
know
tapos
where
po,
to sleep.
Bana Hills, continuation.
There's somewhere
Sumakay kami
you
kanina
can
doon
tell
sa
me.
roller coaster.
He walks on, doesn't look back.
Diba?
He
Ganda.
pretends he can't hear her.
Kung kailan kaya magkaroon ng
Starts
Pilipinas.
to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there.
Sila behind before.
Think twice, 'cause it's another day for you. Need paradise. Oh,
Yung mga toilet din.
think twice,
Pagkain,
'cause it's
masarap.
another day for you.
Okay na okay.
You need paradise.
Oo. Pati yung mga shell. Mga halaw.
Think about it.
Magaganda yung mga halaw. Hindi pa sisiyo. Yung mga roses.
She calls out to the man on the street.
Dito kami. Nandun sa kabilang video ko yung yung mga, maraming din mga Pilipinong turista dito. Hindi pa namumulaklak yung mga rose dito. Yung Bana Hill, Europe inspired sila. Yung mga nila, yung mga building, yung binibuild nila dito, inspired sa Europe. Parang mga castle. Well, dito muna tayo for now bago maloba.